Hey everybody, I'm fixing to do something that I don't think I have ever done. It's hard to believe after all these years there's something out there I hadn't done that's in my repertoire. But I'm gonna make y'all the Lady and Sons coleslaw. Now I'm gonna start out seeing if I can do this in the food processor. Usually I'll just take my grater and grate it up by hand, but let's see if we can do this. You have to make sure that you cut the blade's not in there. Oh, see how easy that was? That was so easy, easy peasy. So don't hesitate to do it in your food processor. Okay, so let's go. This will work better. Okay, so you'll just have to cut your cabbage off, you know, so it'll fit in your processor cup. What did it do with, there it is. I mean, y'all see that so fast. You know what, I'm gonna throw these carrots in there and see if it'll chop those up while I'm doing that way. I won't have to re-chop them by hand. Perfect. Did perfect, didn't it? I'm gonna get my spring onions or green onions, whatever you care to call them. Okie dokie. And I just pull the big pieces out that came out a little big. A half a head of a large cabbage makes a lot of coleslaw, y'all. So see, I mean, our bucket is full. Our bucket is full. This is so full of water, y'all. I'm gonna have to do the same thing with this. Did you wash that cabbage?
I did.
I'm sure you did, yeah. It's really wet though. Well, anytime places have cracks, you know, that they can get in, it's just a long drying process. So, I'm gonna see if I can't drain some of the water out of this. We'll see how much water we got. How about that? See, we got a good bit of water in it. And I don't want watery coleslaw. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start my dressing because I like for it to... Is this my sugar right here, Therese?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I got my sugar. I got my bell pepper. I think I may chop it just a little bit more. Come on, get out of there. Okay. And I'm gonna do some crazy salt. I'm gonna do some fresh ground pepper. And I'm gonna do a little apple cider vinegar. Maybe a couple of tablespoons of that. There we go. So we're going to let that sugar dissolve. So you can see why I wanted to get the water out of that cabbage, because you see how thin this gets. And I like to do a little celery seed too. But the silly salt should do it. Let me. Uh-oh, this one's brand new. It's gone through the other one. This silly salt is so good. People love it, don't they? Mm-hmm. Out of the store. And it's good in everything, but I especially like it in cold dishes. Different salads. Okay. It's dissolving some. So I'm gonna transfer my cabbage and my carrots over to my bowl. I think this will be easier to do it like this, don't you think, Eddie? I'm trying to get it off that towel. Okay. Let's see if we can get it all. So I'll let that sit a minute. I forgot to throw the rest of these carrots in the food processor, so I'll just give them a quick chop. There we go. Now you can always adjust your mayonnaise, depending on how mayonnaisey you like it. All right, so see, that goes a pretty good far ways. We'll put just a little more pepper, and we'll see what we got. We'll see what we got, y'all. It smells like somebody pooed it in here with all that cabbage. Wasn't you, Teresa, was it?
No.
Wasn't me. Whew. You know, you walk in the kitchen and your mama's cooking cabbage, turnips, collards. Oh my gosh.
Distinct smell.
But it tastes so good. How can it smell so bad and taste so good? So good on a hot dog. Come have some, Teresa. It's good. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.